someone had to reimagine stories. When we see role models around us, in my career, to take an example, I have learned immensely from people around me by observing. And once you like someone, you want to be mentored from, you of course imbibe those qualities. You go and approach them. But if I like Durga Ma, how can I go and approach her as a mentor? And we have prayers for that, right? What if there's a whole series?
This concept is something which is like, when I heard about this, it was like something very different, something which is very unique, and I would have like been, I waited for this thing. I really wanted to, work on such concepts where, women has given this power and, that appreciation that they are here for, which I think in somewhere in a television or somewhere in a media that is lacking.
पहचाना नहीं हमने जाना नहीं वो है रक्षक असुरों की है काल हर काल में भिन्न रूपों में शक्ति उनकी रही हमारे साथ Reimagining Shakti is such a huge challenge actually. It's 9 Shaktis coming together.
Reimagining is not always as simple as it appears. It requires old rules to be broken. It requires new formulas to be written.
The challenging part was to actually be able to conceptualize and reimagine Shakti in today's contemporary world and bring that two things together.
There is an element of compassion, there is an element of aggression. एक माँ की ममता भी है इसमें. इतने सारे emotions एक गाने में लाना यही सबसे खास बात है इस गाने की.
I mean, this concept has really made me, really had the goosebumps.
Reimagine the Shakti within, the inner flame, the quiet flame that exists within you, igniting it. That is the impact that I'm really looking forward to, what this Navdurgas as a co-creator creates for everyone around who goes and sees it again and again.
I had to go through a lot of references, keeping in mind the concept of the show. I wanted to keep it very Indian, earthy, and I wanted to try experiment with a lot of sounds and all. So yeah, so there was a lot of research behind it.
Me and Anupama had long hours chat that ये लोग कर पाएंगे क्या? ज्योति यहाँ पे बहुत सारे elements हैं और हमारे hurdle levels इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि कोई भी composer नहीं टिक सकता है.
I want this song to be remembered. It should be in their playlist for next few months or years. It should be in top 10.
I guess we hit the bullseye. We got the right team.
The producers were like really supportive, and they have given us a free hand to try and experiment with new stuff.
Guys, लोग vocals खोल दो अपने. Don't save anything for the later day, guys.
What started as a small idea, today it is becoming massively huge.
एक चीज़ जो आपके साथ याद रहने वाली है पूरे नवदुर्गास में कि ये कंटेंट पहले नहीं देखा गया.
Superb.